All right, guys. So today's going to be the last lesson that we go over in this class. After this, there's just a couple assessments, and you guys should be fine on those. Shouldn't be too bad. I'll talk about those at the end of the video here. So today we are scrolling all the way down. We are on day 9 here, displacement and total distance. So if you've taken physics, you know displacement is like the distance traveled from start to finish. So if you go forward and then you go back a little bit, the displacement is just, okay, where did you start? Where did you finish? Well, total distance is, okay, how far did you go forward plus how far did you go back? You know, so if you went 10 feet forward and 3 feet back, your displacement is only 7, but you traveled 13 total feet. We're going to do the same thing that we do here. We're going to use calculus and integrals to help view that. Let's hope today I got everything in the right order this time. Okay, so what we're going to do first here is each one of these we have a particle, and this is the velocity it travels. So I'm just going to open up Desmos here and type this into an equation. Let's start graphing. We got x squared minus x minus 12. X squared minus x minus 12, right? And okay, I'm just going to call this f of x. Okay, so we are looking from 1 second to 5 seconds. So I'm going to zoom. Let's change my window here. Let's see, the x, we'll make it from 0 to, move me over here. Let's say 7. And then y, I don't know, yeah, it looks like -5. I gotta zoom out even more. Okay, so if we kind of look from 1 second, the velocity down here is like -10 or so. So that means the object is gonna start moving backwards. And then around 4 seconds, it switches to 0. So it's moving backwards, it's slowing down, stops at 4 seconds, and then starts moving forward, because after that we have a positive velocity. So if we want to find the displacement, so it's moving backwards and then forwards, we're just going to go ahead and take the integral from 1 to 5. So we just care about the total integral from 1 to 5. All right, so the way we'll do that is we'll do the little integral button on Desmos here, functions, miscellaneous, integral of 1 to 5 of f of x dx. All right, so we get -18.66667. Okay, so -18.6667. So that means most of the time it went backwards and then it went forward a little bit, but -18. If we want to find the total distance traveled, what we're going to do is look to see, like, when does it change? Because we can go from 1 second to 4 seconds, it's moving backwards. So I'm just going to do the little integral thing again. I'm just going to copy that. 1 second to 4 second, it goes back 22.5 feet. And then, well, then we'll just do another one from 4 to 5 seconds. So 4 to 5 seconds, it goes forward 3.8333 feet. So what we're going to do is just take those two answers and add them together, but we're going to make this backwards one just a positive number, because even though it went -20, it's still moving 22.5 feet. So I'm just going to get the fractions here. I think I can click those and this will be easier to type in. So what is 45 over 2 plus 23 over 6? 26.3333 feet. Right. Is that kind of making sense? I'm not a science teacher, so okay, just make sure I'm explaining this good. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing here. We just got a little bit more complicated problem. X cubed minus 8x squared plus 15x. Let's see if I can remember that. I'll just close all these. X cubed 8 minus 8x squared. Squared, and then is it plus 15x? Yeah, plus 15x. Okay, so we are looking from how long? From 0 to 5 seconds. So if we look here from 0 to 3, the velocity starts out at 0, so it's stopped. the thing starts moving forward and gets up to a max speed of like just over 8 feet per second. And then it starts slowing down. So it's moving forward and starts slowing down. And then after 3 seconds, it moves back a little bit and then it stops. So, you know, think about a car, it's going forward, went past your house, and then it had to back up a little bit. So, okay. If we want to find the total displacement, so the total distance from start to finish, we just take the integral from 0 to 5. So integral of f of x from 0 to 5, we get 10.4167 feet. 10.4167 feet. Now, if we want to find the distance it traveled, we have to just break it up into the groups that it has. So we look here, this is why it's kind of nice to use Desmos, because we can click and say, okay, from 0 to 3, it's moving forward. So I'm just going to type in here, 0 to 3. So it moved forward 15.75 feet, but that went past, so it had to back up a little bit. How far did it back up? Well, we'll go from 3 to 5 to figure that out, negative 5.333. So to get these answers here, that won't let me. I'll just type these in, add them together. So 15.75 plus, I'll make this a positive 5.33333. A bunch of threes, there we go, doesn't matter. So it went a total of 21.0833, just, yeah, 21.0833 feet. Okay, let's see, how well did we do? Better than yesterday? Yeah, there we go, 4 on 4. Okay, so that's really the last story problem. We can wrap it up here. There's definitely more things that we can do in calculus that we didn't get to, but it's just how it is. So hopefully this was a class that you guys could just get introduced to calculus. So next year when you take it in a semester, it isn't too bad if you guys are taking it. So tomorrow, if you guys look at it, tomorrow's going to be the homework quiz. It's actually going to be pretty simple. So we got to evaluate definite integral, plug that into the calculator, math 9. Same thing here, math 9. Just make sure that you're in degree mode. This one here, so find the bounded region. Well, okay, you're going to have a math 9. You just need to know from start to finish. And then the last one here is find the values of C given by the mean value theorem for the functions. So this one here is going to be like the day 2 of the mean value theorem, where you have to find the average value and then set the equation back equal to it. So there we go. And then, so that's going to be Monday's, or not Monday, Tuesday's assignment, because we don't do work on Monday. Monday's a catch-up day. And then Wednesday, get my days mixed up. You guys will have a calculus final multiple choice assessment. You guys get 5 attempts on it. And so you guys can see here just the questions that this should actually be already unlocked for you. It goes over a lot of things that we've done in calculus. You get 5 attempts at it. They're all A, B, C, D, E. Should be all right with that if you got 5 attempts. And then what I'm working on right now is, actually I can go to Desmos. You guys will have an extended response question, and I'll make a video. I'm trying to wait because I'm taking all the data about the COVID-19 numbers, and I'm turning it into a function. And it was looking like we definitely had a clear peak, and then it dropped. And then this past week when we decided that, hey, we should start reopening, the numbers popped back up again. So I'm going to wait till Sunday to see if the numbers trend to kind of go down. You know, we had a plateau here. We probably will have another plateau here. But I'll try to explain it, and then you guys will have to answer some math questions about that. Okay. Any other questions? We good? All right. Well, you guys have a great one. You guys stay safe. I don't know if I'll see you while I make a video, but I'll try to reach out to you guys. Congratulations, guys. It's been a fun year. So, all right. Have a good one. Bye.